Have you ever worked 40, 50, or even 60 hours a week, received your salary at the end of the month, paid your bills, and realized that you have almost nothing left over to build your actual future? You did everything society told you. You got the qualification. You landed the corporate job or built the professional practice. You put in overtime, yet every single month feels like you are running on a hamster wheel that is spinning faster and faster, while the cost of living keeps rising. Inflation eats away at your income, and true time freedom feels further away than ever before. Here is the uncomfortable truth. A traditional job or linear active income model was never designed to give you freedom. It was designed to exchange your time for a fixed amount of cash. Yes, you are exchanging 1 hour of your life for the money that they are paying you per hour. If you stop trading your hours, the money stops flowing immediately. What if you could plug into a system that has been running continuously, reliably, and successfully for over 10 years? A system where you don't have to sell products, carry inventory, handle deliveries, or manage financial advice, but instead focus entirely on building a sustainable, recurring asset for your family. That is the question for today. Happy Freedom Friday, everyone. Welcome to my Freedom Friday Live, and a warm welcome to all my regular viewers, and a special to the guests joining online today. High five to Peter and Gloria and Cheryl and all the others watching live. It's so great to have you here. I hope you enjoy our time together and walk away with valuable insights that can help you make confident, informed decisions about your financial future. Today, we are chatting about the 6 million rand lie. Why working harder won't save your retirement. This is the wake-up call so many of us need. Even if retirement feels it's years away, relying on traditional method alone won't get you to the finish line. It's time to shift how you view earning an income online and build something real, simple, and truly sustainable for your family. Now, for those who don't know me yet, I'm Lynette Badenhorst from Vanderbijlpark, South Africa. And for the past 10 years, I've been helping entrepreneurs, business owners, and professionals create recurring income online without selling, stocking, or pushing products. I guide people through a powerful hybrid financial platform that helps them build long-term recurring income, break free from debt, and reduces stress and take back control of their lives. Now, if you haven't grabbed it yet, I've put together a free guide to help you to get started. 3 steps to build an asset-based wealth strategy. And the link is www.lynettebadenhorst.com/3-steps. I spell my name LINNETTEBADENHORST.com/3-steps. If you are watching live or the replay, pop 3 steps in the comments to get my new freebie free of charge. Also, if you're watching the replay, drop a hashtag replay in the comments. I would love to shout out and connect with you. But let's talk directly to the working professionals tuning in today or watching this video afterwards. Those of you between 27 and 60, right in the thick of millennial and Gen X working life. You are in the prime earning years. You are working hard, taking care of your families and managing busy schedules. Not so? But let me ask you a candid question. Are you actually building wealth, or are you just cash flow managing month-to-month survival? Let's look at the sobering reality of working life in South Africa today. According to the National Treasury data and industry reports, only 4 to 6% of South Africans will ever be able to retire comfortably. At least 94 out of 100 people working today will reach retirement age and realize they cannot afford to stop working. Whether it's 4 or 6%, the conclusion is the same. Traditional pension models are failing the vast majority of professionals. Think about what that number actually means. 94 out of every 100 hardworking people will reach age 60 to 65 and realize they simply cannot afford to stop working. They become financially dependent on family, state support, or are forced to stay in the workplace long after their prime. Why is this happening? Because the traditional math behind retirement is fundamentally broken. But let's break down the actual numbers. If you want to retire in South Africa today and draw a modest income of 20,000 Rand per month, just 20,000 to cover your bond or rent, food, medical aid, and basic living expenses. Do you know how much capital you need sitting in a bank or traditional annuity fund on the exact day you retire? Now, based on the standard 4% safe withdrawal rule, which accounts for persistent inflation and living costs over a 30-year retirement window, you need approximately 6 million Rand saved up front. Let's sink that in for a moment. 6 million Rand in pure liquid capital just to draw 20,000 Rand a month for 50 years. Now let's do the 40-year math. Suppose you started saving from your very first paycheck at the age of 22, planning to retire at 62. If you save in cash without investment growth, you would need to stash away 12,500 every single month for 40 years straight. How many 22-year-olds can earn enough to save 12,500 Rand a month? But the math doesn't lie. Even if you manage to find an investment that gives you a solid 8% growth every single year without fail, you still must put away 1,719 Rand every single month from the age 22 to the age of 62 without missing one single month or cashing out when changing jobs. And because of inflation, that 6 million will only buy what 850,000 Rand buys today. 850,000 buys today. That is why relying on linear savings alone is a trap. The finish line keeps moving further away from you. For the vast majority of hardworking South Africans, saving 6 million out of a heavily taxed salary while paying off a home loan, supporting children, paying school fees, and keeping up with soaring fuel and electricity prices isn't just difficult. It is mathematically impossible using the traditional linear method alone. That is why traditional employment and linear active income no longer guarantee freedom. Look at how a traditional job limits your potential. Your income is capped, first of all. There are only 24 hours in a day, no matter how hard you work or hustle. Your security is vulnerable. It depends entirely on one single employer, industry, or corporate market. Next, your effort is single use. Your hard work produces a payout once. The moment you stop trading hours, the income streams directly or immediately dries up. And it gets even worse when you look at how modern corporate employment actually plays out. Traditional pensions were built on the idea that you stay with one company for 40 years, retire at the age of 65, and receive a gold watch and full pension. But that world no longer exists. First, the average working professional changes jobs at least 5 times during their careers. And every time people change jobs, what happens? Most people end up cashing out their pension funds to clear debt, buy a house, or cover life transitions. Every time you cash out, you reset your compounding clock back to zero, destroying your future wealth. But the system was so broken that the government had to step in with the new two-pot law to literally stop people from cashing out their entire pensions every time they changed jobs. Under this new law, 2/3 of your ongoing retirement money is locked away until you retire. But here is the problem. The remaining 1/3 goes into a savings pot that you can access once a year. And when people get desperate during tough economic times, what do? They withdraw that cash. SARS taxes it at the highest income tax rate, and they destroy their compound growth year after year. Second, look at corporate loyalty today. Companies are constantly downsizing, restructuring, and letting go of experienced, high-earning employees in their 40s and 50s. Just 2 weeks ago, my nephew, 54, was suddenly retrenched. And my husband experienced the exact same thing when he turned 50. This is no longer the exception. It has become the corporate norm. Why? Because corporations simply do not want the long-term liability or responsibility of maintaining a pension for the rest of your natural life. If you are relying on a single employer or a traditional job to carry you safely to the age of 65, you are taking a massive gamble with your family's future. There's no guarantee that your job will last. That is why building your own independent distribution channel asset isn't just a good idea. It is essential protection for your family. You must take control and transition from trading time for money to building your own independent recurring distribution channel asset while you are still earning. Now, recurring income changes the entire equation. It means you perform an effort once, connect the consumer to an established system once, and continue to participate in the ongoing monthly value created by that relationship over time. That is how true wealth is created, and that is how you build a resilient long-term asset that protects you and your family regardless of the broader economic downturns. Now, whenever I speak to working professionals about starting a side project or building a digital income stream, I hear exact the same hesitation. People say, Lynette, I'm already exhausted from my 9 to 5, or I'm not a salesperson. I hate chasing friends or family to buy products, and so do I. Or I don't know anything about complex financial trading or stockpiling. Or what if I fail? My other question is, what if you succeed? But I want to pause right here and validate that fear, because it is completely normal. Most people fail in online ventures or traditional small businesses for 3 specific reasons. Firstly, product complexity. They are forced to buy, store, sell, and ship physical products, managing stock and logistics. Secondly, sales pressure. They are required to push sale target, convince people to buy things they don't need, or act as a financial advisor without qualifications. And number 3, unproven platforms. They join fly-by-night schemes, unverified platforms, or high-risk investments that disappear after 6 months. Now let me remove that weight off your shoulders right now. With Dewpoint, you do not sell products. You do not handle stock, manage inventory, collect payments, or deliver packages. You do not act as a financial advisor or sell financial services. Now, we are definitely not financial sales people. We do not sell any products. We simply share the information about the system. Dewpoint is an established, compliant, direct marketing ecosystem that has been operating reliably in South Africa for over 10 years. As a wealth engineer within the Dewpoint system, your sole role is to introduce people to an automated platform that provides top-tier daily value, financial protection, and lifestyle services designed specifically for South Africans. This is designed by South Africans, for South Africans, and for South African circumstances. It's not something from abroad, it's our own. Your job is simply to share the concept, connect individuals to the platform, and allow the system to do the heavy lifting. Because the system is fully established and proven over a decade, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Everything is there. They train you for free. You don't need a business degree, tech background, or sales experience. You simply follow a simple, repeatable process, step by step. Why is a 10-year track record so vital for your peace of mind? When you are looking to secure your financial future, you cannot afford to waste your time on unproven ideas or risky shortcuts. You need stability, compliance, and longevity. Here is what makes the system unique. Dewpoint is fully compliant. It operates under strict South African regulatory framework and standard corporate terms and conditions, and ensure that every operation is legal, transparent, and built on rock-solid principles. Next, no product sales required. We focus on expanding the network platform through simple introductions, no selling items or managing transactions. And thirdly, through asset construction. As you introduce individuals to the ecosystem, you build a monthly recurring income stream. As long as your distribution channels remain active on the platform, your monthly reward is paid out directly into your own account every single month on time. Scalable effort. You can build this in your spare time, starting with just 5 to 10 hours a week around your existing career or family commitments. Imagine adding an extra 5,000 or 10,000 or even 20,000 every single month in recurring revenue. Not by working extra hours every month, but as a compounding result of the distribution channel asset you built over time. That is how you bridge the gap between where you are today and the financial security you need for tomorrow. Now, if you are listening to this right now and feeling that resonance in your heart, realizing that doing that exact same thing you are doing for the next 5 to 10 years, and it will not yield a different result. It is time to take a simple, risk-free look at how this works. You don't have to quit your job. You don't have to gamble your hard-earned savings. You simply need to evaluate the blueprint for yourself. And here's what I invite you to do today. First, grab the free guide. Go right now to www.lynnettebaardnors.com/3 steps and download my free guide, 3 steps to build an asset-based wealth strategy. It gives you foundational mindset and step-by-step framework to shift from linear work to asset creation. Secondly, comment or direct message me. Drop a comment right here on this video or send me a direct message with the words blueprint or Zoom link. If you want to see exactly how this works step by step, I host daily wealth mastery sessions on Zoom. In just 15 minutes, I walk you through the entire unique business concept, show you how the platform operates, and then open the floor so you can ask your questions live in a relaxed, no-pressure environment. It's quick, clear, and designed to give you total transparency so you can make an educated decision for your own family. If you'd like to jump on one of these daily 15-minute sessions with me, simply send me a direct message right now with the word Zoom link, and I will send the link straight to your inbox. Before we wrap up, just a quick reminder. If you are enjoying these Freedom Friday sessions and you want even more tools to help you break free from the 9-to-5 grind, make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, Lynnette's Wealth Mastery channel. I share weekly tips, insights, and simple strategies that help you build real recurring income and create your own version of financial freedom. Just hit the subscribe button on YouTube and tap the bell so that you never miss a new session. Even when life gets busy, you always have step-by-step guidance right at your fingertips. And of course, feel free to like, love, follow, and share this with someone in your network who needs to hear this message today. You can also visit my blog at lynnettebaardnors.com/blogs for more helpful content just like this. And don't forget, you can also download my 3 steps to build an asset-based wealth strategy, my online business blueprint, where I show you the exact blueprint I used to build recurring income online. It's on https www.lynettebadenhorst.com/3 steps. Now, thank you so much for joining me this Freedom Friday. Today we tackled a tough truth. A traditional job alone simply doesn't guarantee your long-term financial freedom anymore. Relying solely on a salary or trading your time for money will always cap your potential and leave your future exposed to economic uncertainty. But here is the good news. You're not stuck. By building a true recurring income asset, a distribution channel that works for you long after the initial effort, you take back control. You create a financial safety net that grows, protects your family, and gives you the ultimate luxury, time freedom. Start where you are today. Don't let fear or self-doubt hold you back from exploring a proven 10+ year system built to support you every step of the way. Your journey to financial independence starts with a single, simple decision. Grab the free guide at lynettebadenhorst.com/3 steps, drop a comment and send me a DM with Zoom link to join our 15-minute daily session. Make that decision for your future today. Take action and know that I'm here to walk this journey right alongside you. Until next week, stay motivated, stay consistent, and remember, build once, earn forever. And bye for now.